Okay, it's recording.
Hi. We just graduated from 4th grade.
Yes.
Meow 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 meow.
Shut up.
Meow meow meow.
We're gonna teach you how to straighten your hair
With a brush,
a blow dryer,
A blow job.
and some hairspray.
and a clip and a ponytail. Here we go. Oh, and you have to wet your hair first.
Yeah.
And hold it.
Make sure
She
you're wet.
already wet it, and so did I.
Be wet.
This is what it
Be
looks
wet.
like when you're done. Because we already did part of my hair to show you guys.
Need a wet
So,
blow job.
shut up, Frankie. So we're going to show you how to do it.
Take some wet gold thing. Shove it in your mouth. What?
Yeah.
I'm going to brush your hair, mister. Okay.
It's done. Frankie.
Hey.
You put the hairspray
Spray the
on the
hairspray on
brush.
the brush.
I just said that.
Finish
What
this
is
right
it?
here.
Hair dryer. And get ready to put the hair. How many people watch your channel?
Part the dry side first, out of the wet side.
No, it's supposed to be like this. Well, you don't see that.
Woohoo! Shut up! Shut your mouth!
Oh, yeah, okay,
Frankie, shut up! Nobody wants to hear you sing.
It's a pretty easy process, but some people just don't know how to do it. Right? Again, it's done.
Or you could do it the way I did it. I'll show you once our hair wet.
Who's ready for this year's Kitty of the Year?
Frankie?
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Cat had a spasm. I love you. Potato. Let's go down the street.
Okay.
This is wet too.
I know.
Frankie!
I'm never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you down. I'm never gonna go around. That's all true. Thanks.
So now you take the clip and the ponytail out.
That's not done yet.
Poke your face.
Stop it. No. Bad. Bad, bad, bad. Bad. No, don't slap me. Yeah. It watches everything. It watches.
Ow!
And it straightens your hair pretty well.
Pretty nice too.
It watches everything.
your hair, it smells like burnt bread.
Bert, blah, 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 blah.
Shut up, you're gonna have a seizure.
Oh, I'm gonna show you a video of some kid being high off of the dentist. But it's funny as hell, yeah.
Remember that kid freaking out at his desk?
Put your hands up in the air if you are blah 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 blah. Put your hands up in the air if you are blah 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 blah. It watches everything in the middle of the night.
Shut up, Turkey!
Watches everything.
I hate you so bad.
And do this. They got flip, sorry. They got the pony tail. No, it's not. It goes as far as it can go. It's almost goes 15 seconds.
Retard.
Now brush it before you actually start.
Cause I was born this way. I was born this way. Born the right shit, baby. I was born this way. Bitches. No! I was born. Hey. No! Bad thing we're bought. Bad thing we're bought. Oh, I'm getting beat up on the Star Kids box.
You're retarded.
And if yours is as retarded as mine, it will suck in your hair.
It watches everything. Oh God.
Ah, my hair, you're burning it.
Bye now, I gotta go.
So it's almost done and it's really, really straight.
As you can see.
And
Here we
now-
go, 100 times, happening, pins in every line, throw it up, flip, up and shut, going out of my filthy mouth, no excuse, find new place, hang this news, string me up from jockey's knees, tight, tight, so I don't get new, teeth is that you stop and stare,
Are you really that retarded?
shut up,
No.
this video's going on too long.
Your nose is too long.
You gotta go big like a cerulean nose.
Look at the camera.
I think I love you more than the Japanese love tentacle. Let's come together in this world like a unibrow or an Indian girl, and we should dance, 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 like stereotype. Dance, dance. Maybe you should use terms like left, right, up, down. Turn your head all the way around. Hey, if you're doing it exactly what I'm talking about, Smarty McPenner hair. Shut up. See, it's stuck in my hair. Fingers and your booty.
No, it's actually not because I see people make videos that are like 13, 15, 20 minutes long.
How many videos do they have?
Like 15,000 views.
I see some people who make 15-minute long videos with like 102 videos. It's freaking awesome.
It's
freaking awesome how like this
But
camera
the
is
only way
gonna
to
die.
get like 100 videos.
Frankie! The camera died. The camera died. Back to the show.
You see,
The camera got up and walked away. Run!
You are ruining my
Oh, no.
hair.
Oh no! 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 It's been on too long. Dude! What? The camera fell. Okay. You gotta go pick like this really your nose.
You're gonna pick your nose.
I like those fat Americans. They're always so obnoxious. They're always eating burgers. They always carrying shotguns. What about the Mexicans? I love them. The way they mow my lawn. I love them because they have 100 kids and they don't. You know we can get in trouble for using that language, so you get out of our video. Because if you want to make your own videos, then you can get your own YouTube account. How about this? I have one. Then why don't you make your YouTube videos? Because he's retarded. I don't like making YouTube videos. Then why do you make them with I'm sitting here on the computer wanting to go on and you guys won't let me because you're making this stupid video.
Because we can't.
Hang on. It's that time out while you blow down her hair. Watches everything. And when you brush the front of the hair, and it turns really, really straight and soft. And head. You look like a monster. And your head up down. Japanese love telepathy.
It's enough.
Grandma's got a Facebook. Grandma's got a Facebook.
The only grandma I know that's got two grandmas. Ariana's grandma and my grandma.
And my grandma. No. Whose grandma got a Facebook?
Mine.
Oh my god, your grandma's weird.
Actually, she's not that old.
I want to put my hands in your camera and get grandma bless. And there you go.
Now.
Stereotype. You gotta keep sitting. Don't do that.
Now look.
Move forward.
Isn't this straight hair?
And it's shiny too. So, thank me.
Now look.
Thank God.
This is a quick, easy way.
And it only takes 15 minutes.
I can't do it with both my hands.
Just keep it. Let me post it on my YouTube account. Let me have my YouTube account.
Now I gotta do your hair.
Okay. In a different video because this was getting a little too long. Yeah, so bye.